Hey friends, it's Lydia and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a fun chemistry experiment. It's called leaf chromatography. Leaves, I think we all know. Chromatography you might not be as familiar with. Chromatography is a separation of chemical mixtures into its individual components so you can analyze these components later. It's going to use materials from around your house and outside, and you'll be able to separate the individual pigments of leaves. It's a great experiment to do at home with kids or just by yourself if you're curious. If you're interested, please keep watching. Don't forget to download the worksheet in the description box below for the full activity. For materials, you will need leaves of various colors, mortar and pestle, glass jars and Pyrex containers, boiling water, rubbing alcohol, cling wrap, white coffee filters, and tape. Step 1. Collect your leaves. Then, sort them by color. Tear your leaf into tiny bits and crush them with a spoon, or use a mortar and pestle if you have one. Make sure your leaves are torn into tiny bits and crush them really well. Step 3. Transfer the crushed leaves to a clean jar, then pour enough rubbing alcohol to just cover the leaves. Place your glass jars into a Pyrex container. Pour the boiling water around your glass jars and into the Pyrex containers. Water should not mix with the rubbing alcohol. Alternatively, you can skip the boiling water step by wrapping the tops of your jars with cling wrap and setting the jars aside overnight. While the mixture sits, cut out 1 by 4 inch coffee filter strips. Draw a line 0.5 inches from the top of each strip. Then, take a piece of tape just above this line with enough tape sticking off the edge to stick to your glass jar. When the mixture has set long enough, place the coffee filter strips into the glass jars at an angle. Tape them to the jar to prevent them from slipping down. Observe the rubbing alcohol make its way up the coffee filter strip. Once it reaches the line you drew, remove the tape and remove the strip from the jar. Set aside your strips to dry and look at those bands of colors. I hope you enjoyed this paper chromatography experiment. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you liked the experiment and what you'd like to see next. Hit subscribe to see more education content videos like this. And make sure you turn on that notifications bell so you don't miss a video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!